We understand it's frustrating and scary to have keratoconus. It's a devastating condition and can be really confusing to know what to do about it. Maybe your doctor told you you need corneal cross-linking, or you have to wear hard contact lenses, or maybe even to have a corneal transplant surgery or Intacs done to have any hope of restoring your vision. Perhaps you just suffer with it quietly, or you've tried the hard contacts and they're like rocks in your eyes and you couldn't wear them for more than even a few minutes at a time, despite how clearly you saw with them on. Meanwhile, you aren't comfortable driving at night, or worse, you can't renew your license because you failed the vision requirements.
You ask yourself, maybe this is just how my life is going to be, or maybe I'm going to go blind. Can you identify with any one of these statements? You were diagnosed with keratoconus recently, and your vision has rapidly gotten worse. You are not comfortable driving a car at night. Glasses barely help. The contact lenses you've tried are very uncomfortable. If this resonates with you, you have come to the right place. We've heard from countless number of patients who have said the exact same thing.
Through specialty contact lenses, we are able to restore good vision to even the most complicated eyes. We will walk you through the process and hold your hand the entire way. We'll teach you how to use the lenses and send you home with everything you need to be successful. We treat patients with keratoconus every day. You need your vision back to live life to the fullest.
Time to stand up to that bully that is keratoconus and fight back, because life takes vision. Give us a call and let's get after it.